In the heart of bustling city streets, where ambition meets opportunity, a silent force emerges. These women, known as Sigma females, defy convention, their strengths hidden beneath quiet confidence. But what if I told you that their rise in careers is unstoppable? Buckle up as we explore the untold stories, the strategies, and the remarkable abilities that propel Sigma females toward success. Natural leadership abilities. Sigma females possess a unique set of natural leadership abilities that set them apart in the professional world. Unlike traditional leaders who often seek the spotlight, Sigma females lead through quiet confidence and strength. They exhibit a deep sense of self-awareness, understanding their strengths and weaknesses, which allows them to navigate complex situations with ease. This self-awareness also enables them to inspire and motivate their teams effectively, as they lead by example rather than through direct commands. One of the key aspects of their leadership is their ability to remain calm under pressure. Sigma females are adept at maintaining composure in stressful situations, which not only helps in making sound decisions but also reassures their colleagues and subordinates. This calm demeanor is often accompanied by a strong sense of empathy, allowing them to connect with others on a personal level. They listen actively and provide support, creating an environment of trust and collaboration. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence (EI) is a cornerstone of the Sigma females' success in their careers. Sigma females exhibit a high degree of self-awareness, enabling them to understand their own emotions and manage them effectively. This self-regulation allows them to stay composed and focused, even in high-pressure situations, ensuring that their decision-making remains clear and rational. Empathy is another critical component of their emotional intelligence. Sigma females can easily put themselves in others' shoes, which helps them build strong, supportive relationships with colleagues and team members. This empathetic approach fosters a positive work environment, where open communication and mutual respect thrive. Sigma females are adept at recognizing and interpreting the emotions of others. This skill allows them to navigate social dynamics and resolve conflicts with tact and sensitivity. By understanding the emotional undercurrents in their workplace, they can address issues before they escalate, maintaining harmony and cooperation within their teams. Resilience and adaptability. Resilience and adaptability are defining traits of Sigma females, enabling them to thrive in ever-changing professional landscapes. Sigma females possess an innate ability to bounce back from setbacks and challenges. Their resilience is rooted in a strong sense of self-belief and an unwavering determination to succeed. They view failures as learning opportunities rather than obstacles, using them to refine their strategies and improve their performance. Adaptability is another key aspect of their professional prowess. Sigma females are highly flexible and open to change, whether it involves adopting new technologies, shifting strategies, or adjusting to new roles. This adaptability ensures they remain relevant and effective in dynamic work environments. They quickly assess new situations, understand the demands, and pivot their approach accordingly, demonstrating remarkable agility. Sigma females excel in managing stress, which is crucial for maintaining productivity and well-being in high-pressure settings. Their emotional intelligence plays a vital role here, as they can regulate their emotions and maintain a calm demeanor. This ability to stay composed under pressure allows them to navigate complex situations with clarity and poise. Networking and relationship building. Networking and relationship building are essential skills for Sigma females, contributing significantly to their career success. Unlike more extroverted personalities, Sigma females approach networking with a focus on quality over quantity. They build deep, meaningful connections based on mutual respect and shared interests, rather than superficial contacts. Sigma females excel in building trust with colleagues, mentors, and industry peers. Their genuine interest in others, coupled with their empathetic nature, allows them to form strong, lasting relationships. They listen actively, offer valuable insights, and provide support, creating a network of allies and advocates who can offer guidance, opportunities, and collaboration. Sigma females are strategic in their networking efforts. They identify and connect with key influencers and decision-makers who can impact their career trajectories. By leveraging these connections, they gain access to valuable resources, knowledge, and opportunities that might otherwise be out of reach. Their ability to maintain relationships is equally impressive. Sigma females understand the importance of nurturing their network over time. They stay engaged through regular communication, showing appreciation and offering assistance when needed. This ongoing effort ensures that their professional relationships remain strong and beneficial. Work-life balance. Sigma females prioritize work-life balance as a key component of their overall success and well-being. They recognize that maintaining a healthy equilibrium between professional responsibilities and personal life is essential for long-term productivity and happiness. To achieve this balance, Sigma females are adept at time management and setting boundaries. They prioritize tasks effectively, ensuring they meet their professional obligations while reserving time for personal interests and self-care. Their independence and self-reliance also play a crucial role in managing work-life balance. Sigma females are comfortable making decisions that align with their values and needs, even if it means saying no to additional work or delegating tasks. This ability to set limits helps prevent burnout and maintain a sustainable pace in their careers. Sigma females often engage in activities outside of work that rejuvenate and inspire them, such as hobbies, exercise, or spending time with loved ones. This holistic approach ensures they remain energized and focused, contributing to their continued success in both their personal and professional lives. Overcoming stereotypes and bias. Sigma females navigate and overcome stereotypes and biases in the workplace with grace and resilience. Despite societal expectations or gender norms, they assert their abilities and expertise confidently. Their focus is on meritocracy, letting their accomplishments speak louder than any preconceived notions. They confront bias head-on by advocating for themselves and others, fostering inclusivity and diversity in their workplaces. Sigma females challenge stereotypes through their actions, breaking down barriers and paving the way for others. They embrace authenticity, refusing to conform to outdated expectations, and instead lead by example, encouraging others to do the same. Sigma females actively seek out opportunities to educate and raise awareness about unconscious biases, fostering a more equitable and supportive work environment for everyone. Their determination and resilience in the face of stereotypes inspire others to challenge societal norms and strive for excellence without limitations. Strategic thinking. Sigma females excel in strategic thinking, a skill that propels them forward in their careers. They possess a keen ability to analyze complex situations, anticipate future trends, and formulate effective plans to achieve their goals. Their strategic mindset allows them to see the bigger picture while also paying attention to detail, ensuring that their decisions are both informed and precise. Sigma females are adept at identifying opportunities and risks, allowing them to capitalize on favorable circumstances while mitigating potential challenges. They approach problems with creativity and innovation, exploring multiple solutions and considering their long-term implications. This forward-thinking approach enables them to stay ahead of the curve in rapidly evolving industries and competitive markets. Sigma females are skilled communicators, capable of articulating their strategic vision and rallying others around common objectives. They inspire confidence and trust in their leadership, fostering collaboration and alignment towards shared goals. In essence, their strategic thinking sets them apart as visionary leaders who drive meaningful change and success in their organizations. Independence and self-reliance. Independence and self-reliance are core strengths of Sigma females, enabling them to navigate their careers with confidence and resilience. They are comfortable making decisions autonomously, trusting their instincts and judgment even in the face of uncertainty. This independence allows them to take ownership of their actions and outcomes, fostering accountability and empowerment. Sigma females are self-motivated and proactive in pursuing their goals. They do not wait for permission or validation from others, but instead take initiative and chart their own paths to success. This self-reliance fuels their drive for continuous growth and development, as they are not afraid to challenge themselves and step outside their comfort zones. Their independence enables them to adapt and thrive in diverse environments, whether they are working independently or as part of a team. They bring a sense of resourcefulness and resilience to their work, overcoming obstacles with determination and creativity. Overall, independence and self-reliance are foundational traits that empower Sigma females to achieve their full potential in their careers. Sigma females, with their unique blend of natural abilities and strategic thinking, carve a path to success that defies convention. Their quiet confidence, emotional intelligence, and resilience propel them forward. As they overcome stereotypes, build meaningful relationships, and maintain work-life balance, they leave an indelible mark on their organizations. Sigma females are not just leaders, they are trailblazers, unstoppable forces shaping the future of work. Remember, whether you identify as a Sigma, Alpha, or any other archetype, embracing your strengths and authenticity is the key to an extraordinary career journey.